So this time I went into Choo Choo Box and told it to put a base on it and let it automatically select how many supports to put. I selected heavy supports, barely put any, and I had 4 wheels on there, only 2 survived. I had 2 ratchets, both those survived, and I had 2 of these other arm link things, and they survived. But I want to check the dimensions because I think it's still goofy, and I'm going to cut the supports off here, then we can stick the mic on there and find out what's what. And just smooth the nubbins down. Okay. Okay, we got about, how can you see that on the camera? I don't have the view screen where I can see very well. 3.27 on the resin, on the FDM. It was supposed to have been 3.5. Oop, that's 3.5. So the FDM is a little bit thicker, a little more accurate. So it still got squished a little bit, and there's a lot less of the elephant's foot. So that, in fact, that's probably just be cleaned off. I don't think that's a problem. Now, as far as the wheels go, this is the FDM wheel, which the sidewalls are thick like they're supposed to be, and the overall size is sitting right at 12 millimeters. This is one of the wheels that came off the first time when I just had them print right on the plate. You can see it's just sitting right about 11, so it was lost a millimeter in being squished and had that really thin wall. Now, putting it up on supports, we were hoping that it would maybe take care of that. But basically the end that was on the supports is pretty much goofed up. It's still super thin. It is thicker though. It's just a shy under 12, so it took care of that, but the end of it's goofed up. Let's look at the other wheel. Now you can see the other wheel is goofy too. You can see where the supports were. And it looks real thin. Be hard to get a measurement here. 11.9, yeah, about 11.986, somewhere right in there. Not bad. And these are new parts that you haven't seen before. Pretty close on the dimension there. Should have been 7.5. Let's see about the thickness of this cam area. Okay, got that off. Let's just kind of knock the high points off from the support material. Uh, 2.81, it should have been 3, so again it's still lost a little bit. Okay, but the length of this this part is 18 millimeters, that's right. It should have been 7.5, it says 7.44, so it's close. So the only way, I guess I haven't found a way to really print cam wheels right, because they're up in the air, it buggers up the end, but the overall distance is close, and they're down on the build plate all the way. They're too thin on that one end. Maybe I should try with no supports and just on the raft, and see if that would make things work out right.